Welcome to RTA Your Way, where ordering cabinets online is easy. In this video, we will go over the shop page, where we can select cabinets and utilize the drop-down menus for the correct cabinet measurements we need. Let's start with going to the shop page on the RTA Your Way website. When we go straight to the shop page, the individual cabinets displayed are white shaker cabinets, and the first thing we want to do is change those white shaker cabinets to the color we want. So let's click Choose Your Color, and then we'll go to the color library. And then let's pick a green color. We'll choose Garden Grove. And then we'll scroll down to see the cabinet options. So we'll see the profiles, shaker and slim shaker. And in the cabinet types, we have base, wall, vanity, tall, and accessories. Now let's say we have a kitchen that needs a two-drawer base shaker cabinet. We have our profile selected already as shaker. So let's select base as cabinet type, and then we'll go to base. We'll click on the first drop down, and then the different variations of a base cabinet are listed. So let's select two-door, two-drawer. The next drop down is the cabinet code. So the letter stands for the type of cabinet. So we have base, and then the number stands for how many inches wide the cabinet is. So B33 is base cabinet that is 33 inches wide. Now let's say we know we need our base cabinet to be wider than 33 inches, or it needs to be 36 inches specifically. We'll click the second drop down and then select B36. And then once we have that selected, the third rectangle is actually the full measurement of the cabinet. So cabinet B36 is base 36 inches wide by 34.5 inches in height by 24 inches deep. Another feature of the drop-down menus is we can see an illustration of the cabinet we've selected. So we'll go from two-door, two-drawer to three-drawer, and then the image changes. And if we want to take it a step further, we can press the magnifying glass to see a 3D image of that cabinet in our selected photo. Another way we can select our cabinets is by searching for them. Let's say we need a wall cabinet with one door. We can type in one door in the search, and all the wall cabinets with only one door will filter, and then we can select which one we need specifically. Hopefully this video helps with searching and selecting the cabinets you need. RTA Your Way is also available by phone in case you need help in any step of the process. Our phone number is listed in the description box. Remember to like and subscribe to RTA Your Way for more videos.